What are you making, Christy?
I'm making the grass.
You look at me.
I'm making the grass.
Okay.
Hi, it's me, Christy, and you're watching my channel. Saying I'll do tulips with this fork. First, you put the paint on the plate.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna put it there.
Next. Do it straight. There. Straight. Azul. Flatten it first. You can one more. Just like that. Color.
Okay.
Then
You said you can do it low.
yeah, okay.
A bit low.
Okay, there. Okay. Oh. Okay, that's it. This blue. One more here.
This paper.
Okay, that's enough. So there's space for the stem.
Do it with finger.
Not too much. Very good, Christy. Okay, not too much. It's okay. You do
These
it.
are tulips. And this is my art. Please subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye. See you in the next video. If there's anything you want me to do, you comment below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more channels. Bye-bye.
What are you making, Christy?
I'm making the grass.
You look at me.
I'm making the grass.
Okay.
These are the tulips and the grass below. Please subscribe for more videos. This is our mat I made. These tulips
And below?
and below the grass. Thank you for watching. If you want me to do more videos, just comment below. See you in the next video.